Hi, welcome to my cooking channel. Today we're going to make an aromatic, excellent biryani dish. First, we're going to make a biryani masala for this dish. It's up to you to make the masala at home or buy from the store. I add 2 ingredients when I layer the biryani, and those 2 ingredients give unusual flavor and taste to this dish. Please stay tuned and let's start. You can increase or reduce the spices according to your taste. Many people use bay leaf in their spice mix, but I'm not a fan of bay leaf. Please check the description box for the ingredients. Dry roast all the spices in a very low heat for a couple of minutes. Please make sure not to burn the spices. Turn off the stove and bring it to the room temperature. Blend it well, but it doesn't have to be fine. Keep the extra spice mix in an airtight jar for further use. We're going to use the fried onions to marinate the chicken and for the garnish. You fry the onions until golden brown. This is one of the ingredients that you have to have when you make the biryani. Keep it on a paper towel to remove excess oil. I'm using chicken thighs for this particular recipe. Chicken thighs won't get dry easily. Marinate the meat with all the spices and keep it aside at least for a minimum of 2 hours. You can use either grated ginger garlic or ginger garlic paste. Mix the meat, all the spices, and half of the fried onions well together with a little pressure. Adding sugar will enhance and balance the taste. It is better to marinate the chicken overnight if you have enough time. We're going to soak the long grain basmati rice for 20 to 30 minutes. I marinated the chicken for 4 hours and ready to be cooked. Heat the pan and add all the spices to the oil and the ghee mixture. Please cook in a very low heat, otherwise all the spices will be burned. Now it's time to add our marinated chicken to the oil. Add half a cup of water and stir well. Cover and cook for 6 to 8 minutes in low to medium heat. Cooking time will be different depending upon the meat. Rest of the cooking will be done later in the process. Now the rice is soaked for 30 minutes and ready to be cooked. Boil the water and add all the spices. Fennel seeds and Shah Jeera spices are optional. Some people may not like to bite those spices in the rice. Adding lemon juice and ghee will help to get fluffy, non-sticky, separated grains. Please make sure to add salt in the boiling water. 75 to 80% cooking will be done in the boiling water. The rest of the cooking will be done later in the process. Cooking time will be different depending upon basmati rice. Now we're going to drain the rice and add and layer on top of the cooked chicken. You don't have to press the rice during the layering process. Now I am going to reveal the 2 ingredients that I use at this time of the cooking. Actually, I meant during the layering process. Freshly grated ginger and garlic or ginger garlic paste. This will definitely give an amazing biryani. Sprinkle the rice with the saffron milk mixture. If saffron is not convenient for you, you can substitute with the yellow food color in rose water. Now you can top the rice with the fried onions, chopped coriander leaves and mint. You repeat the same process of layering with the grated ginger and garlic or ginger garlic paste. Now the layering is done. You cover the pot with the aluminum foil or with an airtight lid. You cook on a stove top in a very low heat or in an oven at 365 Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes. This dish can be paired with a yogurt salad and papad. The biryani is ready. It's your choice to garnish with raisins and cashews. You can see the rice is separated, non-sticky and fluffy, and the aroma is so great. You can top this dish with the hard-boiled eggs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your patience and watching this video. I would like to hear some comments from you. Please try this recipe and enjoy. See you soon with another great recipe. Have a great day.